Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be creating this hairstyle which is super easy, and here I'll show you every step so any beginner can create this look without any effort. So let's get started to the video. First I'm middle parting my hair into two equal halves. Then taking small parts from the front section and twist slightly, and then repeating the process until I reach the back section of my hair. And I'm going to secure this with a hairpin. Then I'm repeating the same process for the other half, and also I'm going to secure this with a hairpin. Then I'm taking the first half and divided this into two equal halves again, and twisting the two hair strands with each other. And going to secure this with a rubber band. Also I'm pulling some hair for more volume. Now I'm going to make a bun with the twisted hair strands. Now to secure the bun, I'm using some U-pins. You can always use some hairpins or some bobby pins you're comfortable with. And now I'm repeating the same exact process for the other half. First I'm going to divide it into two equal parts, and then twisting the hair strands with each other, pull some hair for more volume, then secure it with the rubber band, and then going to make a bun with the twisted hair strand. Here also I'm using some U-pins to secure the bun. You can use anything like hairpin or bobby pin you're comfortable with. And that's it, that's the complete look. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos. So share your opinion in the comment section.